Hi, my name is Mike Vitale. In this video I'm going to be placing a urinary catheter on a canine patient. So I have my sterile gloves on and my sterile field over here. So I've got my assistant extruding the penis here. You can actually kind of come around over this side a little bit. So I have my assistant holding the prepuce back from the penis itself. So I'm just going to use my sterile gauze here. I'm just going to clean the penis there a few times. And I've got some sterile sealing here to kind of do some rinse wipes there. Just going to do this a few times, make sure it's nice and clean. So then with my catheter here, I'm just going to get this lubricated there. Okay, and so for measuring this, I'm not going to obviously touch him, but I'm measuring pretty much right through the center of her cam there, right in the kind of pelvic inlet there to the tip of the penis. So I'm going to want to put this in about to where my fingers are holding the catheter right now. So I'm going to keep my fingers on that if I can here.
No worries.
We're just going to gently advance this in. Okay. Got my syringe here. Opening to that catheter was larger than I thought it was. So, get some of that urine out to discard. Shooting for about a few mils here, which is actually just kind of leaking on the table here. So I'm just going to let that leak out for a second there, just because this isn't getting on there so well.
Needles back.
So that's what we'll use for our actual sample there. And then we'll just slowly take this out.
So I have an airtight thing. My dog. She's really bad.
And we're all set.
And it was